Hello! Greetings! Welcome to Diecast Car Toy and Anime Action Figure. It's turntable time! Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have another beautiful action figure on our turntable. This one is one of the character on Dragon Balls and Dragon Ball Z and the rest of the Dragon Ball series. His name is Krillin. Who remember this beautiful action figure? This one is the best friend of Goku. I'm gonna tell you a little bit about him on his character. Actually, from the beginning of Dragon Balls, his character was there already. He's a monk, but he got bullied on the temple, and he want to get stronger. That's why he went to not Kinkai, Master Roshi. There you go. I forgot to say Master Roshi. So Krillin and Goku met on the island of the Turtle Island or Master Roshi Island, and they compete who to be a student of Master Roshi, but both of them was being accepted as his student of Master Roshi. Krillin on that time, he's more stronger than Goku. Few numbers probably. But Goku, when they're getting older, Goku is getting stronger and stronger. Remember, Saiyan are evolving. But Krillin is he's getting stronger too. Every time he do his training and everything, he's learning new tricks and everything, and he get more stronger. So he was part of the Dragon Balls. Then he was part of the Dragon Ball Z on Saiyan Sega. He's a part of Namek Sega, Frieza Sega, at the same time with Ginyu Force Sega. Most of the series he was there. I think I mentioned already, he's the best friend of Goku. At the same time, he's married with 16. Oh yeah, he was there on the Cell Sega. When after the that's after the Namek Sega. And on this episode, I mean, he's wearing uniform and everything. Everybody know this one is the Namek Sega. Actually, Krillin was being killed. He was being killed by Frieza, and if you can see, he got hole on his armor, and he got revived by Porunga. At the same time, he released his Razor Disc over here. I believe he's aiming Frieza over here, and at the same time, he got another power, that solar flare. Actually, he copied that with I forgot his name. It's not Nancha. I think it's Nancha, if I'm wrong. That the bald guy with the 3 eye with the Emperor nuts. The Emperor, the sons. They're all in my mind, but I cannot recall their name. So Krillin is an interesting guy, and at the same time, he traveled with Bulma and Gohan going to planet Namek. So beautiful, nicey. I love it. and he got one daughter. I forgot his name. Her name, the daughter. And without Krillin, Dragon Ball or Dragon Ball Z, uh, the rest of the episode won't be interesting. But he got, because he got uh, nice role on those episodes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before I gonna sign out or turn off my video, I just want to invite everybody that to watch the first part of the video, the unboxing of this beautiful action figure. And I have some another channel. Please follow it. I have the Facebook, the Junsure, if you're gonna look for it, and on the YouTube is Junsure at the same time. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time, and I just want to remind everybody, please, 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 if you're gonna ride, always be defensive. Bye.